All right, y'all. So I'm going to show you a simple, quick, and efficient trick you can use right now within Power BI so you're not exposing data on the front end. So typically what would happen is if you built something within Power BI and you use the tables and not measures, you would have the option to show data point as a table. Now, that can be a security risk simply because you can spill the data and have it exposed to people on the front end. Because if I clicked on this, now I can see every single employee ID. I can see everything associated to the member, right? Maybe you have personal information in here, such as their address, and you don't want to present that on the front end to your users, right? And you didn't want to mess with row security too much. So you want to lock it down completely so you're only exposing what you want to expose. So this is what you're going to do. So right now, our table is set up to have gender for the losses table and employee ID for the losses table for the count. So all we're going to do is keep gender here because it's not available in any dimension table and it lives natively within the fact table. And we're going to remove the count of employee ID because this is where the specificity by row comes in, right? So you're going to make sure our value is coming from somewhere else, and that somewhere else is going to be a measure. So what we're going to do is bring in our total losses measure. So since we have gender coming from the losses table, we're going to bring in the total losses measure. And once we do that, and I pan back over here, I right click on it, and now it's only going to show me as a table. It's no longer going to show me that by name listing any longer. And even if I wanted to show a by name table, I can select which data points I want by bringing in a table manually as a visual and then selecting which columns I want to present within it. So it's interactive based upon this chart and this measure. But that's a simple way to protect your data, folks, so that it's not exposed to everybody on the front end. That said, hopefully this video helped you out. Let me know your thoughts down below, and thanks for watching.